Acorn knowledge. Bald eagle. The bald eagle is a species of sea eagle native to North America. It is the national bird of the United States and has featured on a variety of official seals and national documents since 1782. The bald eagle is the second largest flying bird found in North America, with only the California condor having a larger wingspan. This beautiful bird of prey is not in fact bald, but has a distinctive white, feathered head. There are two subspecies of bald eagle, H. L. leucocephalus, which is found in southern USA, and H. L. washingtoniensis, which is larger and found in northern USA, Canada, and Alaska. Bald eagles prefer habitats that are undisturbed by humans, and they are rarely found more than a few kilometers away from water. Their preferred food choice are fish, hence their preference for occupying areas with large bodies of water. Due to their large size, bald eagles require tall trees with thick canopies in order to nest and roost, but are occasionally found nesting on cliffs, smaller tree species, and even on the ground. Though they are strong flyers, bald eagles prefer to soar where possible, using slow but powerful wing beats that allow them to cover larger distances while expending less energy. They generally only migrate to areas where food is more abundant, but in colder climates, such as Canada, they will migrate south to avoid the coldest seasons. Bald eagles are monogamous and mate for life, with both parents sharing parental duties when looking after their offspring. Having found a suitable nest, they will continue to use that same one for years on end and perform elaborate mating displays to reinforce the bond between the mating pair. Adult females are generally larger than males, but both share similar coloration, a dark brown to almost black plumage, with a white head and bright yellow eyes, bill, and feet. Their large size allows for a more opportunistic diet, being able to prey upon mammals and other birds when the chance arises. However, bald eagles show a definite preference for fish and will time their arrival at feeding spots with the spawning of salmon and other fish. Their large, strong wings mean they are able to dive at high speeds, and their sharp, strong talons are ideal for clutching fish out of the water. They will also tail other fish-eating birds and will harass them until the fish is dropped or even steal the fish directly from the smaller bird. Though juveniles are relatively solitary, bald eagles are commonly found in pairs due to their monogamous nature. During fish spawning, especially that of salmon, there have been records of over 1,000 individuals feeding at the same site. Even though they generally travel alone outside of the breeding season, bald eagles are known to roost and socialize together, sometimes in groups numbering more than 100 birds. Despite these relatively peaceful social gatherings, bald eagles are highly territorial during the breeding season and will call loudly and chase off intruders from their preferred breeding site. Despite being the national bird of the United States, bald eagles were once close to becoming extinct in the wild. Before the early 1970s, the use of the insecticide DDT was commonplace across North America. The chemical DDT remains in the ecosystem for long periods of time and had a hugely negative effect on bald eagle numbers. DDT was commonly found in fish and other animals which the eagles preyed upon, and this led to fewer eggs hatching and chicks born with deformities. During this time, there remained only a few hundred bald eagles in the wild. Fortunately, the eagles were granted protected status, and following a complete ban on the use of DDT, eagle numbers increased and the bald eagle population of North America is now considered stable and healthy. If there is anything you would like to see, please leave a comment, and as always, thanks for watching, and please like, share, and subscribe.